Good morning, guys. New rumors suggest Apple might include a fast charger with the iPhone 11. But elsewhere, we are hearing that company may not bundle a headphone adapter with it. Apple's iPhone 11, whether it's called the iPhone 11 or iPhone X2, could launch as of September, meaning we are already halfway to the official release date. The timing for the new iPhone 2000 shouldn't be surprise anyone. Apple smartphone-focused keynotes routinely take place in early September. That's news for no one. We also have another two signs that we are reaching an iPhone X sequel. The product Red iPhone 8 and iOS 11.3 just launched, signaling the mid-life cycles for both Apple's phone hardware and software. When will the iPhone X2 launch? There are any release date rumors, but Apple text, which means we'll probably see the iPhone 11 in September 2018. More specifically, based on past launches, it will probably be announced 1 or 2 weeks into September. Apple's phones usually then arrive in stores a couple of weeks later, so late September is probably when you'll be able to buy iPhone X2. While the iPhone X took longer to reach shop shelves, that was rumored to be down to delays in producing components. So unless Apple wishes to artificially hold back the new X, possibly to create demand, chances are the iPhone 11 will appear in September 2018. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Keep sharing.